Today we are starting chapter 5 lines and angles of class 7 NCERT, and in this video we will solve try these 1 and 2 page number 95 and 96. First of all, before solving try these we have to know few things about it like complementary angles. तो complementary angles क्या होते हैं? Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. For example 60 degree and 30 degree. Like अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री आ रहा है देन दीज एंगल्स आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. Its examples are 60 degree and 30 degree, like 60 30 90 degree. So 60 degree and 30 degree are complementary angles, same as 50 degree and 40 degree. Both 50 plus 40 90 degree, that's why they are complementary angles. Now supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. अगर सम 90 डिग्री होता है तो वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स होते हैं. अगर सम 180 डिग्री होता है देन दीज आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 110 डिग्री एंड 70 डिग्री बोथ हैज़ अ सम ऑफ 180 डिग्री, दैट्स वाई दीज आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. एंड 100 degree and 80 degree, then both has a sum of 180 degree, that's why they are supplementary angles. Now we have a knowledge what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles. Now we can do this try these 1 and 2. This is try these 1. Which pair of the following are complementary? By the definition we have studied, the pairs of complementary angles have a sum of 90 degree. In question number 2, which of the following, what is the measure of the complement of the each of the following angles? And question number 3, the difference in the measure of two complementary angle is 12 degree. Find the measure of the angles. Then this we will solve now. This is we are doing try these 1 exercise chapter 5 lines and angle page number 95. This is try these 1. And we have studied the definition of complementary angles. Now which pair of the following angles are complementary angles? I have told you the sum. If the sum of these two angles is a 90 degree, like 70 degree plus 20 degree. Now what is the sum here? 90 degree. So they are, yes, complementary. These are complementary, so we have to write yes. In the second pair you can see 75 and 25. 75 and 25, there will be 100 degree, so it is no, because we want 90 degree for the complementary angles. In this you can see 48 and 52. So 48 plus 52, here we will add, this is 100 degree, so it is also no, because we want fourth part 35 and 55. Now here we will add 35 and 55. Now it is 90. Yes, these are complementary angles. Now you can see this is question number 2. What is the measure of the complement of each of the following? So how to find complement by the angle given? So here we have to find the complement. We can find by 90 minus 45. If we subtract any angle from 90, then we will get its complement. So 90 minus 45, it is 45. Then again 60 complement we are finding. So 90 minus 65, then it is 25. Its complement is 25. Now 41 complement, 90 minus 41, it is 49 degree. And this is complement of 54. So 90 minus 54, now what we get? It is 36 degree. For finding the complement, we have to subtract the given angle by 90 degrees, so that we will get the complement of it. This is question 3. The difference in the measure of two complementary angles is 12 degree. Find the measure of the angles. So here we will take first angle as x, and second angle is x minus 12, because it is written the difference is 12. So complementary angles, we know sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. So we will write sum of complementary angles equal 90 degree. First angle x, second angle x minus 12, because it is written the difference of two complementary angle is 12. So here we write x plus x minus 12 is equal to 90 degree, because these are complementary angle, then sum will be 90. So 2x minus 12 equal 90, 2x equal 90 plus 12, because this is minus, here we take it becomes plus. So 2x equal 102. Now after this we will find x equal 102 upon 2. Now cut what we get, 51, means x is equal to 51. So first angle is x, so our first angle is 51, or second angle is x minus 18, matlab 51 minus 18, so it is 37. This is try these two. Find the pair of supplementary angles. This is question number 1. Then what will be the measure of the supplement of each of the following? And among two supplementary angle, the measure of the larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Find their measures. This is try these two, and we will now solve it. Now this is try these two, page number 96. Find the pair of supplementary angles. As we have studied the definition of supplementary angles, that if the sum of angles is 180 degree, then it is supplementary angle. Now here you can see it is only 160 degree. That's why it is no. Now this is second part, 105 and 65. When we add 165, what we get? It is 170. Now this is again no, as it is not 180 degree. Now here we see 50 and 130. So 50 plus 130, it is 180 degree. Now here you can see the sum is 180 degree. So yes, these are supplementary. Here it is 45 plus 45, it is 90 degree. Again it is no, because it is not supplement. Now here in this we have to find what will be the measure of the supplement of each of the following. In complement we have subtracted it from 90. Now we have to subtract it from 180. Now 180 minus 100, it will be 80. Then 90 degree, again we have to find supplement here. 180 minus 90, then we will get 90 degree. It is the supplement here. Then 55 degree for supplement, we have to subtract it from 180 degree. It is 125 degree. Then again supplement of 125, it will be 180 minus 125, it will be 55 degree. Now here among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 44 more than the measure of the smaller angle. Matlab this is a smaller angle is 44 degree more than the complementary, more than the given angle. So here we will take. Now in this you can see among two supplementary angle, the measure of the larger angle is 44 more than the measure of a smaller. So here we will take a smaller angle as x and larger angle is 44 degree plus x, because it is 44 more. Now we know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. That's why x plus 44 plus x is equal to 180. Now here x and x will become 2x plus 44 is equal to 180. So 2x equal, we will take 44 on the right side, so it will become minus. When we subtract, it is 136, and 136 when we take 2, it is in multiply, it will go in divide. So 6 and 8, 68. So x is equal to 68, means a smaller angle is x is 68, or larger angle it is 44 plus x, that's why it is 68 plus x, it is 68 plus 44, 2 and 112 degree.